Hey guys, this is Chu with Slices Concessions. Today's video we'll be talking about how to assemble your Carpigiani beater auger assembly, okay? So the first thing we gotta go off with is the shape and design of your auger or your beater dictates the rotation. So if you have a three-phase machine, you always make sure that your polarity is set right. For this specific design, for the 193P, you have to actually go counterclockwise, okay? The way the spirals work, when it turns counterclockwise, what it does is it pushes your product out front to this direction. If it spins backwards, it spins towards the back of the machine, okay? With that being said, let's start putting this thing back together, all right? So what we have is, this is the back, and this is the front side of the machine. We're gonna start by putting on the blades, okay? So it's really important after you do your cleanings to always check your blades, because it's always a pain once you put it all in, ice cream is in, to find out you have an issue later with the blades. It's just a pain. So make it a habit to check on every cleaning, okay? So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna locate the two notches, okay? There's gonna be 3 sets of notches for the 3 blades you see here today, and 3. And how it works is you see the big slant notch right here. This faces the back, and this flatter side faces the front. And you have these 2 bumpers that actually fold in, and that's how it fits on the assembly. So let's start by doing that. What we do is we find the first set of notches, and you put the notches on the inside, and we line it up like that. And you're gonna see that when you fold it in, this and this plastic bumper will hit in onto the steel, and that's how you put on your blades, okay? And then we repeat that, same deal. Notch on that side towards the back and the flatter side towards the front. And you locate your next set, notch it, turn it, and it holds in like that. And now you're gonna do your third one, and you guessed it, big notch on this side towards the back of the machine and the flatter side towards the front. So find the notch, turn it in, boom, just like that, okay? Now the next part we're gonna put on, this is like a little bushing in the front that helps hold this in the center. So an easy way to look for it is actually look for a notch. There's a notch right here, and that dictates fitting the notch right here, okay? If you fit the notch to the notch, when you put it in, it should just go right in like that. Everything lines up just like so, okay? So the notch goes in. After you do that, you will take the center piece and there's actually a slit it fits through before you turn it. So what you do is you actually put it in like that, and you line up to the back to the hole right here. After that, you can free spin it like this. It'll do its thing in the machine, stay in place. Lastly, the most important part on the back of the machine, this is your rear seal, okay? If this guy goes, you'll have a lot of leak out the back side of your machine. It's a mess, you get all of your motors, it's not a fun time. So make sure it has good spring and it's not torn or anything like that. What you want to do is you want to slip it on here and go ahead and put some lubricant on there. And then from there, you just stick it in the machine and turn until it locks, pushes it in. And that's how you get your auger assembly together, all right? You would repeat the same exact steps for your other beater or your auger. And if you only have one, then you just do this once. All right, thank you for tuning in today, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.